Hey there, it's Chesna Ellis with Life Well Crafted. It's time again to look at our Club Couture transfer. This time it's these cool sunglasses and it says Hello Summer. And I'm going to show you all you get in your package. If you're a subscriber, you'll get instructions and 3 paste singles and then a B size transfer. So to start, I'm going to look at the back and cut my pieces out so I'll be ready to create. It has little lines that show you exactly where to cut, especially for one like this that's a layered transfer. All right, and you'll also want to have a towel handy to fuzz your transfer. That's always the first step. Here I am fuzzing it so it doesn't stick too hard when it's time to pull up. These silk screen transfers, you don't want to get them pulling from the corners or anything like that. You want to pull from side to side so that it stays nice and straight. I'm going to use Peacock as my base layer. If your chalk paste starts to get dry, you can always add a little bit of distilled water, a drop or two at a time, and mix it in to make it a smooth sour cream consistency. And then just squeegee off the excess and put it back in the jar. All right, while that's drying, I'm going to do the saying. First, I'll fuzz it, and then place it exactly where I want it. Being careful not to put the transfer over the chalk that's drying so that it doesn't get pulled up. I'm going to show you how to do an ombre effect. First, I'm putting Couture Teal down, and then a little bit more of that Peacock. Once that's all on there, I'm going to use my finger just to blend it together before I remove the transfer. Ta-da! I love seeing it when I pull it away. Well, you can't tell what I'm doing right now, but I've got my hairdryer and I'm drying it to make sure that it's ready for that second layer. Okay, let's get our towel and fuzz that top layer. As you can see, I'm going to do this like 5 or 6 times. You want it to be fuzzy because you don't want it to stick and pull up that bottom layer. There we go. And I'm going to show you there's these little guidelines, and I'm going to line those up from the other transfer. I wanted to give it a kind of a polarized sunglass look, so I'm using marigold for this top layer. It's very creamy, so it doesn't take very much effort to squeegee it around, and then pulling it away, we have our final product. I'm just using a wet towel to clean off the little guidelines, and then it's all done. I hope you enjoyed this. Sign up for Club Couture and get those exclusive transfers. You will love it. Have a great day.